ad for the first time, just go to your Instagram account, go to your profile. Under your profile, you can now select any of the products you want to advertise. So I'm going to go with this first one here, and I'm going to click on the boost post option. So when you click there, you see two options here. You can see Instagram will use your save payment method. That's if you are connected, if you are going to be using your Facebook ad account, or if you want to actually run your ad without using Facebook ad account. So I always use Facebook ad account because I already have one, and then I'll click on create, or probably even if you don't have one, you can click on this and then later create your ad account on Facebook. I'll just click on this first with a Facebook ad account, click on continue, and here you can see that it's going to be using FIDA to sue. So you can always change the promotion payments method. So when I click here, I go to this place, and then okay, so here I can see the cards that are linked to my account, and I can also select different ad accounts that I want to use. So I can decide to go with this one that is mainly the ad account for this page. I can also click to stick to my main ad account, that is the one linked to my Facebook account, and when I select that, I can add payment. If you have a new card, just input your card details and then go to next, input all your card details, and when you're done, click on save. For me, you guys can see I already have some cards here already, so I would just going back now, and then here I would click on continue. So yeah, so here you can select the goals that you want to achieve with this particular ad. For me, because this is a new page I just created, I'll be going for more profile visits. So I want people to actually visit my profile more. You can also go for more website visits if you have a website, and you can go for more messages if you actually want to get people to send you a message to find out more about your product. Personally, I just want to grow my profile, so I'm going to click on more profile visits, and then I'll click on next. So here you can create different target audience that you're going to be using for your ad. So I'm going to click on create your own so that you guys can see how to. So first thing first, we actually have to have an audience name. So I'm going to say sneakers test audience, and then I'm going to select location. Mostly I'm always using Nigeria because I do service the whole of Nigeria. But then for the cost of this, I will show you how you can just select a particular location in a country. So I'm selecting Lagos in Nigeria, as well as I'm also going to select other states. I would say Abuja. Yeah, this is the Federal Capital Territory, so I'm going to go there, and I'm also going to go with Oyo State. So yeah, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to just go with these three states, and then I will click on next. So here I have interest. Under interest, you can search for literally anything. So you know that your audience have to be interested in sneakers. So I'm going to search for sneakers, and then I'm going to select any of the sneakers options that I think my target audience will be interested in. Like they would be interested in a sneakers shop, they would be interested in probably Nike sneakers, they might. Okay, so I'm going to just keep searching and then selecting what I think they would be interested in. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, the estimated audience size keep increasing as I keep choosing. So I'm going to go with shopping this time. They have to be interested in shopping, especially fashion, and also they should be interested in shopping online. So I'm just going to go keep on selecting things that I think might be useful and would be of their great interest. So after that, I'll click on this guy there, and then here I go to the age and gender option. So I'm going to select from 23, because my sneakers are not really for those that are very young, and I'm going to stop at age 45. And then I saw for both male and female, so I'm going to click on these two options, male and female. So I would okay this, and then when I'm done, I okay this. So the next part we're going to go to is, you can see now that my audience has been selected, and I click on next. So here we are going to select how many days I want the ad to run and my total budget for the days. So I'm going to go with the minimum budget, which is 597 naira per day, and then I'm going to go for a period of, okay, so guys, I want you to see that you can reduce the number of days and you can also increase it. So I'm going to be going with a number of 7 days. I'm going to run this ad for 7 days, and you can see the total. So majorly, and you can see the estimated reach. You know how many people this ad could reach, and also how much you're going to be spending throughout this period. And then I'm going to click on next. So here you have to preview your ad. Be sure that you actually selected the right goals, your audience is on point, your budget and duration, your payment selection, everything is on point. Then you click on boost. So here you have the discrimination policy, and you can look at everything to be sure that you are not violating any of the policies. So, and then when you're done with that, you can easily just click on I accept. And yes, your ad, now you can click on the boost button again. Okay, so you see this drop down notification, your promotion has been sent. So when I click and refresh the page, I can see that the promotion is pending approval. So guys, that's just how easy it is for you to run your ads. And then you can always check the promotion insights right here, how your promotion is doing. And from here, you can also know if you're actually doing really great, or you need to put a stop to the promotion that you have ongoing. And also, you can have more than one promotion at once on an account. You can run promotion for different posts at the same time. So guys, if you have any question, please do let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also give this video a thumbs up, comment and leave a comment, let me know what you think, and if you have any issues regarding running your ad. And also, I want you to know that you can decide to run your ad in different currency. For now, mine is actually set to Naira, that's why it's like that. But you can always set your currency from the scratch. So guys, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.